Hello guys, very good evening. हेलो गाइस, बच्चों क्या मेरी आवाज़ आपको आ रही है? I'm audible now? Please respond. चलो ठीक है, my voice is clear now. So guys, welcome to the YouTube session of Unacademy. बच्चों आज आप सीखेंगे accounting for issue of shares. ये टोटल पार्ट सिक्स है, मतलब दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव वन मोर सेशन एट अराउंड 8 o'clock. आज ही खत्म करूंगा उसको भी, लेकिन प्रायर टू दैट लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ. दिस इज मुश्ताक अहमद. आई एम एजुकेटर इन प्लस Unacademy Plus subscription with a total 10+ year experience. Alright guys, with a total 10+ year experience for CA, CS and CMA. Okay, so here is my code. अभी code क्या काम करता है, what it does? Definitely guys, it's going to get you discount on your registrations. And why the plus subscription you need, everything I'm going to explain here. So just have a look here. बच्चों plus subscription की खास बात यही है कि definitely one subscription ले लीजिए, get access for all the classes. That is for sure. One subscription, get access to all the classes. Means what? For CA Foundation, CA Intermediate, everything. So some of the key features of plus subscription is that, guys, you will be getting best educators across India who will be available for you to live classes. Alright, and next is that you will be getting doubt clearing session after every 3 sessions. हर 3 सेशन के बाद में बच्चों you will be getting doubt session, जहाँ पर आप आपके हर डाउट पूछ सकते हैं. You can ask all your doubts. One thing. Second thing is that recorded session, unlimited access. You will be getting this access for unlimited. Means no more limit. Okay, recommended courses according to your requirement. Structured online courses, and every month you will be getting upcoming classes. तो बच्चों यहाँ पर है इसके benefits. 100% live interaction plus recorded sessions. One thing, we are going to clear all your doubts. All right. Second thing is that one subscription and complete CA content and many more. So बच्चों आपको करना क्या है, you have to utilize this code RIO20 and get 10% discount. Here is the fee structure. Here is the fee structure. Just have a look here. It's a very nominal. बहुत ही कम है बच्चों. It's way too less. If you're going for 12 months or 24 months, it's you do have option for 6 months, 3 months and 1 month. It's up to you which batch you want to. अगर आप नवंबर में फाउंडेशन बैठ रहे हैं बच्चों तो 12 मंथ का ले लीजिए और 24 मंथ का ले लीजिए, बिकॉज वन टाइम आपको दोनों का एक्सेस मिल जाएगा. ऑलराइट, सो हियर इज द 24 मंथ के लिए इट्स गोइंग टू कॉस्ट यू अराउंड 18,900. इफ यू यूटिलाइजिंग द कोड RIO20 इज द कोड. 12 मंथ्स का 15,000 आएगा. ठीक है जी. तो बच्चों चलिए फिर आगे बढ़ते हैं आज के सेशन में. सो डोंट मिस टू यूटिलाइज दिस कोड एंड एनरोल योरसेल्फ फॉर प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन. ठीक है, तो आज के सेशन बच्चों, एज आई टोल्ड यू, इट्स ऑल अबाउट इशू ऑफ शेयर्स, इशू ऑफ अकाउंटिंग फॉर द शेयर्स. कैन यू सी द क्वेश्चन नाउ बच्चों? कैन यू सी द क्वेश्चन नाउ? बताओ. Is the question is clear? First, total 4 questions are solve करने के प्लान में हूँ. Definitely, if you support, if you calculate fast, definitely we will. तो यहाँ पर आप लिखेंगे जर्नल एंट्रीज I'll make a column so that we can start this. ठीक है? क्वेश्चन को देख लीजिए. What is happening here? क्या हो रहा है देखिए. Okay. First question is on your screen. Just have a look here. On 1st April 2017, Pahal Limited issued 65,500 shares at the rate of 100 each. 65,500 shares at the rate of 100 each. So what is the expectation here? Expectation is, one second, मैं ठीक कर लेता हूँ. Rather typing, I'll write to rather than writing, I'd like to type here. So बच्चों, here is 64,500 at the rate of 100 each. कितना होगा जी बच्चों? हाँ जी, 6,45,000 they are expecting here. This is the application total share capital, total shares issued. ठीक है. अब यहां पर देखिए एप्लीकेशन पे कितना आ रहा है. पेएबल एज फॉलोज. ऑन एप्लीकेशन they are expecting 30, right? On allotment they want 30, and on first call they want 20, and remaining is how much? Remaining is 20 they are expecting on final call. So this is the case right now. ये है हालत प्रॉब्लम की. अब बच्चों just have a look. By 20th May 60,000 shares are applied. अब इशू कितना किया था कंपनी ने? कंपनी has issued 65,000 shares. How many issued? 65,000. But received how much? Received is, guys, it's 60,000 shares. अब ये प्योर केस ऑफ अंडर सब्सक्रिप्शन है. क्या बोलेंगे? अंडर सब्सक्रिप्शन. ठीक है जी. Now it's perfect. क्योंकि total they have issued 65,000. है ना? 65,000 they issued and they received how much? 60,000. It is a pure case of under subscription. मतलब they are getting 4,500 shares less. All right. So अब देखिए, all the applicants were accepted allotment on 1st June. All the sum due on allotment were received on 15th. Those on first call 20,000 shares. You are required to prepare journal entry. Simple है. तो बच्चों start करते हैं. चलिए. Let's start the problem now. Let's solve this. This is not a case where we are forfeiting the shares. All money they are receiving. You know that, right? First I got date, particulars, ledger for your debit and credit. Hi Shivlila. तो according to it you just adjust now. Date का column रहना चाहिए यहाँ पर. We should give the date column also. In the same time ledger folio, debit and credit. ठीक है बच्चों, मैं इसको थोड़ा कलरफुल कर लेता हूँ so that आपको भी आसानी हो जाएगी. तो guys, let's start. देखिए, when they have received the first application 20th May, right? 20th May they have received the application. तो उसके हिसाब से 20th May. First entry will be what? First entry क्या होगी? Bank account is debited to. Total 4 problems कर रहा हूं मैं. What I'm saying is that please wait till end. 2. Share application account. Being application money is received. On how many shares बच्चों? 60,000 shares है ना? 60,000 shares at the rate of, अब बताओ application पे कितना है? 30 each है ना? 30 each है. That comes 18 lakh. लिख लिया आपने? Have you copied it? Okay. Next. बच्चों, next कब कॉल कर रहे हैं? Look at that. 20th May is done. Next is 1st June है. When it is 1st June. So in that case, we have to transfer whatever the application money we have received, right? We have to transfer. When we have to transfer? 1st June. 1st June को आप transfer कर रहे हो. What is that? क्या होगा जी? Yes, share application debit किया हो, credit किया हुआ debit कीजिए. Share application account is debited to share capital account. Being application money is transfer किया आपने, right? Transfer to share capital. As per the board resolution, that is same. Any doubt, guys? Any doubt? नहीं है? तो फर्स्ट स्टेज इज ओवर. फर्स्ट स्टेज यहां पर खत्म हो गया एप्लीकेशन का. ठीक है, तो फिर सेकेंड स्टेज क्या है? व्हाट इज योर सेकेंड स्टेज? बच्चों, सेकेंड स्टेज इज अलॉटमेंट. सेकेंड स्टेज क्या है? अलॉटमेंट है. ये रिवीजन टेस्ट पेपर का क्वेश्चन पेपर है बच्चों. 30 शेड्स सेम आएगा. सेकेंड स्टेज 1st June. Guys, very simple है. Share allotment account is debited. Share allotment account is debited to share capital account. This is the question paper. We have got it from the CA Foundation revision RTP paper है. Being allotment money is due on how many shares? Yes, again take on the 60,000 shares. Don't go for 6,400, 64,500. 60,000 shares at 30 each. कितना होगा जी? 18,000. 18,000. All right. Next, allotment money received. When they received, just have a look here. हाँ जी बच्चों, डेट के हिसाब से जाएंगे. Allotment money received on 15th June. 15th July. 15th July को इन लोगों ने allotment money रिसीव किया. देखिए यहाँ पर. Just have a look here. 16th, 15th July को. That means 15th July, exactly 15th July. Bank account is debited to share allotment account. Very simple problem है. Being allotment money is received. Allotment money is received. Same problem. 18 lakh and 18 lakh. Okay, go back to the top now. Look at that. 15th को जुलाई हो गया. Those on first call were received on 20th October. Means 20th October को means 1st July को they are making the 15th July को they क्या collecting the call money. All right. In the same time देखिए those on first call received on 20th October. मतलब यहां पर हम लोग लेंगे October 1st. Call money due. First call money due. What is first call money? देखिए बच्चों यहां पर है आपका first call money that is 20 each. Right? तो 1st October. What is that? जी हाँ बच्चों, share first call account is debited to share capital account. Being first call money is due on 60,000 shares because they received that much. 60,000 shares at 20 each. 20 रुपए ले रहे हैं ना? कितना होगा जी? That comes around 12 lakh. Guys, tell me any doubts you have. बताओ बताओ, समझ में आ रहा है? Understanding right? So next question is that, let's go back to the question. Have a look. 15th July को they are collecting the call money. 15th नहीं है, 20th October. 20th October को there is a 1 year. 20th October को they are receiving. 20th October bank account is debited to share first call account. Being first call money is received. कितना बच्चा? Yes, my dear student, 12 lakh. 12 lakh. ठीक है, तो बच्चों नेक्स्ट फाइनल कॉल कब है देखिए. अब फाइनल कॉल जो है ना, दे जस्ट वांट टू क्लोज ऑल द ट्रांजेक्शन बाय 31st मार्च को क्लोज कर रहे हैं. देखिए यहां पर फाइनल कॉल इज 20. ठीक है, फाइनल कॉल इज 20, सो दे आर क्लोजिंग द ट्रांजेक्शन ऑन 31st मार्च. मीन्स वी कैन टेक इट फर्स्ट कॉल इज ऑन द 1st Feb. ठीक है, वी हैव वन मोर प्रॉब्लम. इसके बाद में और एक करूंगा मैं. आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व वन मोर ऑन दिस 1st Feb. व्हाट इज दैट? शेयर second and final call account is debited. ठीक है, share final call account is debited. To share capital account. Being second and final call money is due on. Yes, my dear students, same problem. 60,000 at the rate of 20 because they give on, right? दिया है ना हम लोगों ने. Just have a look here. फाइनल कॉल पे 20 आ रहा है. ये आपका आएगा 12 लाख So 31st मार्च को अकाउंट आप क्लोज कर देंगे. We are going to close this account 31st March. Any doubts guys? बताओ जल्दी से बताओ, कुछ भी डाउट है तो नहीं है? Hopefully you don't have any doubts. 31st March. That is, your bank account is debited to share second and final call account. Being second and final call money is received का लिख दिए बस, as per the board resolution everything you can write it, that is 12 lakh. So guys, आपने अब तक सीखा the case where under subscription. अब सीखेंगे next, इसका next problem, the very interesting problem of this one, that is here. बच्चों, did you copy this one? क्या आपने लिख लिया इसको? Yes guys, here is one more question. Mr. Hello, who was the holder of 4,000 shares? कितने shares हैं? 4,000 shares. On which 75 is called up. 75 is called up. Called up कितना बच्चों? 75 per share had been called up, could not pay his due on allotment and first call. Allotment पे भी नहीं दे रहा है, first call पे भी नहीं दे रहा है. मतलब कितना दिया उसने? How much he has paid? Only he has paid on the application. तो बच्चों देखो यहां पर प्रॉब्लम इज दैट called up is 75 each है, ठीक है? Called up is 75 each है, but first call and allotment and first call 25 है. That means he has paid how much? Out of 75, Mr. Hello has paid. Mr. Hello has paid only how much? He has paid 25. ठीक है? तो क्या हुआ है? The directors have been forfeited the shares and reissued 3,000 of such shares to Mr. X at the 65 per share. So guys, start the journal entries. आप सभी को पता है डेट, पर्टिकुलर्स, लेजर फोलियो, डेबिट, क्रेडिट. So guys, whenever the share is get cancelled, तो एंट्री क्या होगी? Do you know how we have to prepare this? पता है क्या आपको? ओके, आई राइट इट हियर. फॉर फीचर एंट्री देखिए, it starts with first and foremost capital account, whether it's a preference shares or share capital. Preference share capital account is debited. Preference share capital account is debited to preference. मैं काम करता हूँ. I'll do one thing. I'll write it this much. That looks good, right? Preference share allotment account to preference shares call account बोल सकते हैं. First call account. अब बताओ बच्चों, to share forfeited account, forfeited share account. अब देखिए, how many shares are applied? 4,000 shares है ना. He has applied for 4,000 shares. 4,000 shares हैं. थोड़ा गौर कीजिए, थोड़ा बहुत, because here it has a very interesting adjustment. 4,000 shares at the rate of, what was the rate? How much is called up? Called up is 75 है ना जी. Called up is how much बच्चों? 75. You cannot take complete face value of the shares. जितना called up किया उतना ही लीजिए. कितना आएगा? 4,000 is multiplied by 75. That comes 3 lakh. Guys, evening 7 नहीं है, 8 को और एक क्लास है मेरा. That is on the pro rata basis. I just want you to join there. ठीक है? अब यहाँ पर he has failed to pay the allotment. He has failed to pay the allotment. That is 4,000 at the rate of 25 each. कितना आएगा? 1 lakh. Okay. Similarly, 4,000 shares at the rate of 25, because first call पे भी 25 ही है. ठीक है. That means due amount was 3 lakh. Not paid is 2 lakh. तो बचा कितना? 1 लाख रुपया. That is your, my dear students, share forfeited account. That is your share forfeited account. तो बच्चों यहाँ पर आप लिखेंगे, being 4,000 shares are forfeited for non-payment of allotment and first call money. Understood, my dear students? जल्दी से लिख लीजिए. अब डायरेक्टर क्या कर रहे हैं? They are reissuing how much? They are reissuing out of this 4,000. They are reissuing 3,000 shares. They are reissuing how much? 3,000 shares. अच्छी बात है. हम लोग 3,000 shares का उतना हिसाब करेंगे. हम लोग we are going to calculate only for 3,000 shares. Okay, तो bank account is debited. Bank account is debited to. अब कितने को इश्यू कर रहे हैं? वेरी सिंपल है बच्चों. 4,000 shares at the rate of, just have a look here, 65 per share. They are reissuing 4,000 at the rate of 65. कितना आएगा बच्चों? 4,000 at the rate of 65. ये आएगा आपका 2,60,000. 2,60,000. Now, what was the called up money? Called up money was 75, right? So we are going to adjust this share forfeited account, that is 4,000 at the rate of 10. अब 10 किस लिए लिया मैंने पता है ना? Because called up value was 75. On that note, it's going to be 40,000. ठीक है? 2 preference share capital account. Preference shares capital account. That comes 4,000 at the rate of 75. आपका आएगा बच्चों 3 लाख. Being 4,000 shares are forfeited, reissued है ना, reissued at 65 and balance is adjusted from forfeited account. बच्चों क्या आपने लिख लिया? Did you guys copy it? बताओ जल्दी से बताओ. अब हम लोग कैलकुलेट करेंगे. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू कैलकुलेट द बैलेंस अमाउंट. ट्रांसफर करना पड़ेगा किसको? कैपिटल रिजर्व को. दैट आई एम गोइंग टू कैलकुलेट हियर. जस्ट हैव अ लुक हियर. Calculation of amount to be transferred to capital reserve. बच्चों देखो called up value कितना था? What is the called up value? Called up value was 75. All right, 75. अब यहां पर देखिए 75 इज अ कॉल्ड अप वैल्यू. एनी पॉइंट. अब देखिए यहां पर बच्चों we will find the proportionate expenditure that is to be transferred to the. अब आपके पास forfeiture account में कितना पैसा है? 1 lakh rupees we have. Total balance in forfeiture account is 1 lakh. For how many shares? 4,000 shares. 1 lakh was the amount that is for 4,000 shares. So in that proportion, how much is for 3,000 shares? कितना होगा बताइए? Very simple है. 1 lakh is the amount you have in a forfeiture account for 4,000 shares. How much is for 3,000 shares? That comes 75,000. Okay, less utilized, amount utilized. कितना amount utilize किया आपने? Have a look here. 40,000 you have utilized. 40,000 you have utilized. तो बच्चों बचाओ. Tell me, How much is the balance we have? What is the profit? Profit on reissue is कितना होगा जी? 35,000. इसको आप ट्रांसफर करेंगे. समझ में आया? Share forfeited account is debited to capital reserve account. Being profit on reissue of share is transferred to capital reserve. Understood my dear students? समझ में आया जी? जल्दी से लिख लीजिए. तो बच्चों आपके स्क्रीन पे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हियर. ना ये नहीं है, ये सॉल्व करेंगे. वेट I'll get it done. एक काम करता हूँ, I'll take some different question here so that we can get it. बिकॉज सिमिलर क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने में कुछ मजा नहीं आएगा यार. वी वांट नवंबर का ले लें, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर का. एक सेकेंड, आई टेक दैट. ये नहीं चाहिए. Yes, here is the one more question. Wait, I'm just going to copy it. This question is very interesting question, definitely. क्योंकि यहाँ पर बच्चों इसको मैं एक्सप्लेन कर लेता हूँ अभी, and for sure I will solve this by, if time permits now, if not definitely 8 o'clock one more session है ना मेरा, वहाँ पर सॉल्व करेंगे. इसको बोलते हैं प्रो रेटा बेसिस. प्रो रेटा बेसिस. एक मिनट करो यार, इसको मैं थोड़ा जूम कर लेता हूँ तो ही ठीक से आएगा ये. Can you see this guys, my dear students? क्वेश्चन देख पा रहे हो? देखो बच्चों यहां पर है पीयूष लिमिटेड इज अ कंपनी विद ऑथराइज कैपिटल. कितना ऑथराइज कैपिटल इनका? 2 करोड़. ऑथराइज कैपिटल इज 2 करोड़ इन इक्विटी शेयर्स. व्हाट दे आर इशूइंग? इक्विटी शेयर्स पे इशू कर रहे हैं ऑफ 10 ईच. मतलब क्या हो जाएगा? दे आर इशूइंग 20 लाख शेयर्स. 20 लाख शेयर्स at the rate of 10. ठीक है. अब out of this 2 crores, इस 2 करोड़ में से they are what they doing? 15 lakh shares. कितने इशू कर रहे हैं? 15 lakh shares have been issued at a fully paid up on 30th June. तो they are issuing 15 lakh shares. 15 lakh shares fully paid up. The company proposed to make a further issue. Issued हो चुका है already. They have issued this much. And how much is the remaining? Out of this 15 lakh 20 lakh 15 lakh is issued. तो बचा कितना? बचा बच्चों 5 lakh. What is left? 5 lakh shares. Out of this 5 lakh, company is issuing. The company further make issue of 1,30,000 shares of 10 each. ठीक है? At a premium of 2. देखिए फेस वैल्यू बच्चों आपके शेयर्स का है 10. ऑलराइट, फेस वैल्यू आपका है 10. लेकिन आप इसको इशू कर रहे हैं 12 को. कहां गया रे? ओके, फेस वैल्यू है 10. यू आर इशूइंग एट 12. मींस प्रीमियम पे इशू कर रहे हैं. अरेंजमेंट फॉर पेमेंट बीइंग, देखिए यहां पर फर्स्ट सेकेंड 2 पर पेएबल ऑन एप्लीकेशन. ठीक है, रिसीव्ड बाय 1 जुलाई को रिसीव कर रहे हैं. अच्छी बात है. लेकिन यहां पर देखो अलॉटमेंट सेकेंड केस देखिए कहां पर गया है? आई कांट सी दिस कर्सर. ओके, हियर इट इज. हाँ जी, अब देखो ये तो एप्लीकेशन पे दे रिसीविंग हाउ मच? 2. On second, the allotment to be made on 10th July 2018. Further 5 per share including premium. मतलब application पे they are receiving how much बच्चों? They are receiving on the application is 2. Allotment they are receiving how much? 5. 5 means what? That is nothing but it is added 3 plus 2 हो जाएगा. Getting point? 3 plus 2. Hi वर्षा, गुड इवनिंग बेटा. ठीक है जी. अब नाउ द क्वेश्चन अराइज थर्ड कंडीशन. द फाइनल कॉल्स फॉर द बैलेंस ऑफ द ट्रेड शुड बी मेड एंड मनी वाज रिसीव्ड बाय. सो गाइस टोटल वाज 10. फाइनल कितना आएगा? 10 plus 2 आएगा ना. तो फाइनल कॉल पे 5 रुपीज लेंगे. दे आर गोइंग टू रिसीव फाइनल कॉल 5. अब नाउ द मेन स्टोरी ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम कम्स हियर, द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम. ये तो अब तक ठीक लगेगा. नाउ इट्स परफेक्ट, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. लेकिन बच्चों दे इश्यूड हाउ मच? 1,30,000 शेयर्स. हाउ मच दे हैव इश्यूड? दे हैव इश्यूड 1,30,000 शेयर्स. अब देखिए एप्लीकेशन कितने लिए हुए हैं? How many applications they have received? They received application 4,20,000. 4,20,000 applications they have received. Now, we deal with as follows. So 4 lakh, how much we needed? We needed 1,30,000, but they received 4,20,000. Out of that, first application 20,000 shares get full allotment. इसमें से 20,000 shares will get full allotment. And remaining 1 lakh we received allotment 1 share for every 2 share. मतलब out of 1 lakh for every 2 shares they are giving 1. Means क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पर 50,000 shares, 50,000 shares they are giving. All right, okay. Third condition, application for 30,000 shares were received, allotment 1 share for every 5 shares. 3 lakh पे 3 lakh shares पे for every 5 shares they are giving 1 share. That means how many shares they are giving, guys? 5 ones up. So 60,000, 1/5 मिल रहा है इसको. 60,000 shares they are getting. The money due on final call was received on due date. All right, the money due on final call was received on due date. So you are required to record the transaction including the cash item of the journal entries. ठीक है. अब बच्चों मैं यहाँ पर आपको first and foremost I'll teach you how to solve this problem. First आपको solve करना पड़ेगा pro rata basis पे problem. We have to get this pro rata basis. Later on definitely we can. आगे जाते हैं. बच्चों देखिए यहाँ पर मेरा और एक क्लास रहेगा, दैट इज एट 8 o'clock टुडे, आज ही है. ठीक है, वो क्लास में भी डेफिनेटली हम इस प्रॉब्लम को कंप्लीट करने की कोशिश करेंगे. लेकिन अभी जो है ना, यू गाइज आर गोइंग टू लर्न दिस इन डेप्थ, डिटेल में सीखेंगे इसको. उसके अलावा इसका प्रो रेटा बेस्ड अलॉटमेंट अभी सिखा देता हूँ मैं आपको. आई टीच यू हाउ टू सॉल्व द प्रो रेटा बेस्ड अलॉटमेंट. एक होने के बाद डेफिनेटली वी कैन सॉल्व द रिमेनिंग पार्ट इन द 8 o'clock, क्योंकि 1 घंटे का सेशन रहता है, तो 1 घंटे में हम लोग जितना होता है उतना खत्म कर लेंगे. बिकॉज आई डू हैव मोर क्लास ऑन दिस स्पेशल क्लास. अनअकैडमी के प्लेटफॉर्म में आ जाइए, वहां पर डेफिनेटली यू आर गोइंग टू हैव अ वेरी एक्साइटिंग सेशंस जो आपको सीखने के लिए मजा आ जाएगा. बच्चों here we have calculated something which is very interesting. इसको बोलते हैं calculation for adjustment and refund. थोड़ा गौर कीजिए. Just have a look here. What happens? As I told, there are 3 categories. How many categories? There are 3 categories. प्रॉब्लम को जाते हैं. ठीक है, यहां पर आपको ठीक रहेगा. नाउ इट्स परफेक्ट. फर्स्ट कैटेगरी 1, नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स अप्लाइड, नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स अलॉटेड. थोड़ा गौर करके देखिए. जस्ट हैव अ लुक हियर. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट इट इज. नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स अलॉटेड, नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स अप्लाइड, अमाउंट रिसीव्ड. गाइज यू हैव टू राइट डाउन ऑल दीज कॉलम्स. आपको ये पूरे कॉलम्स निकालना जरूरी है. ठीक है बच्चा. तो यहां पर फर्स्ट कॉलम नंबर ऑफ द शेयर्स अप्लाइड, सेकेंड नंबर ऑफ द शेयर्स अलॉटेड, अमाउंट रिसीव्ड, अमाउंट रिक्वायर्ड ऑन द एप्लीकेशन. ठीक है, अमाउंट एडजस्टेड ऑन द अलॉटमेंट, जो भी रिफंड बनता है तो देखते हैं क्या होता है. अब यहां पर देखिए फर्स्ट वन, व्हाट दिस सेज. एप्लीकेशन फॉर 20,000 शेयर्स आर रिसीव्ड फुल्ली, अलॉटमेंट फुल, प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. फर्स्ट यहां पर 20,000 शेयर्स एप्लीकेशन दे हैव रिसीव्ड एंड अलॉटेड हाउ मच? फुल अलॉटमेंट. देयर इज नो क्वेश्चन ऑफ रिफंड हियर. 20,000 shares were there, 20,000 shares are allotted. So then amount received how much? Very simple. 20,000 shares, 20,000 shares at the rate of 2. That comes 40,000 shares, 40,000 rupees. So this is the amount they have received here. समझ में आया बच्चों? Understood? Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं चलिए. Next, 20 application for 1 lakh shares, received allotment for 1 share for every 2 shares. ठीक है? Okay, fine. So 1 lakh shares, application for 1 lakh shares. For every 2 shares they given 1 share. मतलब apply तो share ने किया, they have applied for share is 1 lakh, but shares are allotted 50,000. ठीक है? Hi Renuka. So next comes third, application for 3,000 shares, allotment of 1 share for every 5 shares. Means यहां पर देखिए 3 lakh shares अप्लाई किया हुआ है. For every 5 shares they are giving 1 share. मतलब क्या हो जाएगा? 60,000 shares they have allotted. 60,000 shares they have allotted. समझ में आया जी? बच्चों लिख लीजिए. I suggest you to note it down. ठीक है? So now the question arises. Number of shares allotted is 1,30,000. ठीक है? Issued is 4,20,000. So now amount received कितना होगा? What will be the case of amount received? थोड़ा गौर करके देखिए. Just have a look here. Very interesting part it is. Interesting part it is because just have a look here. बच्चों इन लोगों ने 20,000 shares, right? 20,000 shares they given, and we paid him, we gave him all money. So 20,000 multiplied by 2. 2 is why application money received. Application कितना है यहाँ पर? 2 each है. Application कितना है? 2 है. So 20,000 at the rate of 2, that comes around 40,000. ठीक है? That comes around 40,000. Now second case, just have a look here. 1 lakh shares multiplied by 2. How much we have received? We have received 2 lakh. Any point? 1 lakh shares multiplied by 2 means we have received how much? 2 lakh. Means we are given him. He is applied for. They have applied for 1 lakh shares. We allotted them 50,000 shares. That means we received 2 lakh and we have allotted them only 1 lakh. बच्चों अभी 1 lakh रुपीज इसका पैसा हम लोगों के पास बचा है. Getting a point? 1 lakh is the amount still with us. That means we have to maybe refund or we have to adjust this. To what? We have to adjust this to the allotment. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. 3 lakh applications, 60,000 shares, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. 3 lakh applications at the rate of 2 means how much amount they have received? They have received 6 lakh rupees of shares. With that note, on application money received is 20,000 at the rate of 2, 40,000. 1 lakh at the rate of 2, 2 lakh. Okay. 3 lakh at the rate of 2 is nothing but 6 lakh. Now we will find out the amount required for on application. Application पे कितना पैसा चाहिए? How much money we needed? देखो बच्चों यहाँ पर you have allotted, they applied for 20,000 shares, we are allotted 20,000 means 40,000 is the amount required, same amount. But here he is applied for 1 lakh shares, we have allotted him 50,000 shares means 1 लाख रुपए चाहिए. लेकिन आपने कितना लिया है? 2 lakh. In the same time थर्ड केस में, थर्ड कैटेगरी में देखिए 3 lakh shares applied, 60,000 allotted. So 60,000 multiplied by 2 means we need only 1,20,000. So with that, application money received is 8,40,000, but required is 2,60,000, तो रिफंड कितना करेंगे? वी हैव टू रिफंड द नेसेसरी मनी. दैट इज फर्स्ट केस में तो रिफंड कुछ भी नहीं होगा. फर्स्ट केस में रिफंड कुछ नहीं होगा बिकॉज वी आर अलॉटेड देम फुल मनी. जितना भी पैसा आया था उसको हमने अलॉट कर दिया है. ठीक है. लेकिन सेकेंड केस में देखिए, इन द सेकेंड केस ही हैज अप्लाइड हाउ मच. बच्चों देखो जरा, ख्याल करके देखिए. जस्ट हैव अ फोकस ऑन इट. I'll rub this. Look at that. He has applied for 1 lakh. He got 50,000 shares. Means refund हो जाएगा 50,000 shares. अब कितना पैसा दिया था उसने? He has given 1 lakh. We have to refund 50,000 at rate of 2. ये आएगा बच्चा आपका 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees. We have to refund this. समझ में आया जी? समझ में आया बच्चों? ओके, आगे बढ़ते हैं. थर्ड केस में देखिए, he has applied for 3 lakh shares. That means he might have paid around at the rate of 2 means 6 lakh rupees he has paid. तो अलॉट कितना किया इसको हम लोगों ने? We have allotted only 60,000 shares. That means it's going to be 1,20,000. तो possibly 1,20,000. तो यहां पर बच्चों हम लोग इसका रिफंड करेंगे कितना? वी आर गोइंग टू रिफंड हाउ मच? वी आर गोइंग टू रिफंड इन 3 लाख बिकॉज यहां पर देखिए द एक्सेस मनी वी हैव रिसीव्ड ऑन दिस थर्ड केस वी आर एडजस्टिंग अलॉटमेंट. सो गाइज दैट इज द केस हियर. 3 lakh is the what amount adjusted for allotment. Here it is 1 lakh. तो refund में बच्चों देखो, okay, I'll do one thing guys. What we can do is that definitely one more class I have जहां पर मैं आपको complete इसका डिटेल स्टार्टिंग से सिखाऊंगा because I can see so many guys are joined right now. तो हम लोग एक काम करते हैं. What we do is that I want to request you to join at 8 PM today. इसके बाद ही because I have one more special classes Unacademy पे, तो वहां पर आ जाइए. वो क्लास खत्म होते ही मैं ये क्लास ले लूंगा. ठीक है बच्चों? Once we finish that, we'll take this. All right? Hopefully you understood, but if not, no worry, we will cover in the next class. So इसके बाद और एक प्रॉब्लम भी करूंगा मैं. We are going to solve one more problem on this. So guys, thank you for joining. But before that, what I want to say is that guys, don't waste your time waiting and checking, examining everything. Don't do that. Why? Because Unacademy special classes are plus classes are amazing it is. So utilize this code, join कीजिए. अब कुछ मतलब नहीं है बच्चा. Why? Because देखिए, एक टाइम आप सब्सक्रिप्शन ले लेंगे, that is nothing but 1/3 of your total fees. 1/3 है. जो फीस आप दे रहे थे उसका 1/3 देना पड़ेगा. It's way too less, but complete CA content with unlimited views, unlimited access you will be getting. If you're going for 12-month course, that is most probably CA तो long term का course होता है. तो in that case आपको पता ही है, you should know that according to that only you have to plan. अगर आप यहाँ पर again you're going for 3 months, 6 months, we don't have any problem. But problem is that you might face again, you might have to renew. So why can't you go for a long-term course like 12 months, 15,750 after discount? Rio 20. Utilize this code. You will be getting 10% discount on your registration. Alright guys, so don't miss to utilize this. Join Unacademy special classes. Get access for all the classes. Enjoy it. Learn it. For sure you will love to learn it. Okay? 24 month and 12 month if you're going means it's going to be amazing. All right, okay guys, with this I just want to end here. So this is your educator Mushtaq Ahmad. Okay, wanted to close the class now. I'll see you at 8 o'clock exactly. फिर मिलते हैं 8 बजे, ठीक है? 8 PM को आ जाइए. We will finish this problem. ये प्रॉब्लम को खत्म कर लेंगे, ठीक है जी? और कोई डाउट है तो बताइए. If you have any doubt, please tell me now. डाउट नहीं है? Okay guys, bye bye.